In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically reply to emails using AI for free. If you don't know who I am, I'm Shark Sweezy, the top boss of AI. I've made over $2 million last year with these same automations that I post on my channel. Without further ado, let's get right into this money. Don't worry, I have all these settings for you for free down in the description. Here is the flow n8n. Start off waiting for an email. We grab the contents from that email. We send it into our AI model to analyze that email and create a reply. After that reply is created, we then draft and send that reply that AI created for us. And to finalize, we send a notification to our Slack channel to let us know the update. I sent this email to myself from my other account. It says, hey, don't forget, we got a lunch meeting at 12. After we close that deal, let's go grab some drinks. The AI analyzes that message with our prompts and our tone and our style that we assign to it, and it automatically generates and sends the reply. And this is what it said. Hey, got it. Lunch meeting with Nano Company is on the calendar. Let's seal the deal and then maybe upgrade from coffee to cocktails. Cheers to new partnerships. Instantly reply to all your emails. Then you get a message in your Slack channel like this. Oh, hey, you got an email. This was the subject. This was the message. This was your reply. I don't know if you comprehend how much of a game changer this is. And it's all for free. So let's break it down. Because I want to bring you as much value as possible on this channel, I actually created step-by-step instructions for this automation for free below for a limited time. All right. So you can use any email that you want, but it looks way more professional if you're using your own domain, yourcompany.com. I recommend Namecheap. I just like how their website looks, to be honest, because all these domain providers are pretty much the same, maybe like $1 or $2, but I have great customer service with them, and they have really cheap email inboxes. So you can buy a cheap domain and then you can get your own email inbox for $12 a year, $10 a year, whatever the price is. Right here it's on sale for $11.88 for your first year. Okay, so for less than $1 a month, you have an email box professionally that you can email for free and do business, and it's worth the money. And you can set up these automations. So that's what I would recommend. Go to Namecheap, buy you a cool domain name, add the professional email starter for $11.88, and then you can get started like a pro. All right. So that's what you want to do. And I have all the settings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add a email trigger. So basically just type in email and it should look like this, the email trigger IMAP. So you're going to click on that. Your IMAP settings are actually going to be in the template that's free below. So all you have to do is just basically copy and paste your email address. And it kind of looks like this. It'll be your email address, your password. It's mail.privateemail.com, port 993, and then check the SSL. Boom. And like I said, just replace the user with your email address that you just got from Namecheap and your password, obviously. And that's it, guys. Simple as that. Boom. Just connect your email And yeah, it's just going to look like this: mailbox, inbox, and then action, mark it as read. Basically, you're just watching for new emails, and when you get that email, you mark it as read. The next step, we want to add OpenAI. So you notice, type it OpenAI, and then the way that they have this set up is you want to create an assistant, okay? Or you can do message a model. Message a model is going to be more simple right now, so let's do that. So just connect your OpenAI account, go to OpenAI, make an account, put $5 on there, whatever. Resource text operation message a model, okay? All right. Obviously, connect your OpenAI account. Your resource is going to be text. Your operation is going to be message a model. Pick whatever. GP4 Mini is all good. I gave it a system prompt. I said, hey, you're Bud Swayze, the founder of Top Boss. You help businesses grow by saving time and money with AI. Your goal is to network with other business owners. Okay. And then I gave it the user prompt. Analyze this message and create a realistic reply. Be funny. Use emojis. Keep it short and sweet. And then you will insert the actual message from the email over here, which will be found wherever. The text plain. Hey, don't forget we have a meeting, and then just drag and drop that right there. That's it. Simplify output, and you're done. Easy stuff right there. And obviously, depending on your use case, you can make this system message whatever. Let's just say that you're a gym coach or a baseball. Let's say you're a baseball coach, and you always get emails all the time from the parents and being like, oh, hey, when's the game? When's practice? You're always getting these messages, right? So simply this, you could put in your system prompt is, hey, you are Bud Swayze. You are coach of the Atlanta Braves, Cincinnati Reds. I don't know. Who's your favorite baseball team? You let me know below. It's baseball season coming up, spring training. So yeah, you say, I'm coach of this team, and insert the practice schedule, insert the schedule for the year, for the games, put in the supply list, all the data that it needs, and put that into the prompt and put that into the system, and then give this email address out to your team and their parents. So every time you get an email, to that email, it's about sports or whatever, and the AI can analyze the email and have that data to pull off of and send them replies. Upload your roster. So if little Timmy's mom emails and says, oh, hey, I lost the schedule, what time is practice next week? It'll automatically say, oh, hey, the practice next week is this time. Can't wait to see you. And then on top of that, like I said, especially if you want to use someone like me, or if you have the time, we would just build a website on top of that, and you can just link everything to them, right? So not only are they getting the automatic reply, it says, oh yeah, practice is at 9. Oh, by the way, yes, practice is at 9. Here's a link to our website with all the information that you're going to need. Moving on, you want to type in send email. It's going to be this green one right here. And then once you got the send email, you're going to have to set it up again, because the first one that we set up is for receiving emails, and this is SMTP. This is replying or going out emails. Don't worry, I have all these settings for you for free down in the description. All right, so you will want to connect your email. It will look like this. Operation send, email from, type in your name, what you want it to appear, and then in brackets right here, type in your email address, okay? And it actually gives you a preview of what it's going to look like below. And then to email, you're actually going to find that back here in the metadata, delivered to, or return path, and you just want to drop in the return path right there. And then you want to drop in your subject, which you will find down here. in the subject. So drag that over. We're just going to make a email format text, and then the text will actually be from our AI model right here, the content. So then you just drag that over, and then you want to add an additional option and uncheck the append n8n attribution. If you don't uncheck that, every email, every message that you send will have a message at the end of it. It says, hey, this was sent automatically with n8n. So if you don't want to look like you're using automation, then it's a good idea to uncheck that, right? Might throw some people off, okay? So there you have it, send email. And then at the end, all we'd want to do is add a Slack tool. And then we just want to do send a message, okay? Now the Slack part, it's pretty, I'm not gonna say it's hard to set up, but it just takes a little bit of time because you have to go in and create an app and create a token and give it permissions and invite it to your channel and all that kind of fun stuff. That's why I'll have all that steps in the guide. But to save time in this video, I'm just going to show you what you want to do. Resource message, operation send to a channel. You're going to pick the name of your channel. I have mine channel created, the Top Boss. And message type, simple text. And I have it set up. You got an email from. Then you insert the who it's from. Boom, drag and drop over it. The subject, same thing we did earlier. Boom, the subject, and then I'll reply the completion, right, from ChatGPT. And that's what sends the message to Slack. So you have everything. You have the original message, who it's from, and then you have your reply. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I want to build one of these. The next project is maybe for Facebook or WhatsApp. So when my girlfriend messages me, she can just get automatic replies. So I don't have to like think about it, right? So let me know which one you guys rather see. Would you rather see automatic Facebook, Instagram reply bots, or would you like to see a WhatsApp? Or if you guys have any ideas, I definitely want to know. And like I said, if you want to get this template for free and the step-by-step, that's all below for a limited time. It's Shark Sway Z, and I got automations to make. I'm signing out. Peace.